Hey everyone, it's Brian with Serenity Bus Project. It's been a little while since we've done a video and we wanted to talk to you about the progress that we've been making. We put the sound barrier inside of the bus and we couldn't have predicted how well it was going to work. In fact, it's been quite a blessing for the family.
Dad, I can tell you about this. This is amazing.
Why is the bus not painted yet?
I'm filming a video.
We need a paint! We need a paint!
What if I told you guys about being loud and obnoxious?
I really want to
If you're gonna be loud and obnoxious, you guys need to be on the bus.
Come on.
Nope. If you're gonna be loud and obnoxious, go to the bus.
I want to be loud and...
No, go to the bus. I'm sorry. My wife and I have learned that the bus is a great place to send the kids when they're acting crazy and loud because the sound deadener works so well. But I'm actually, there's no telling what they're doing in there. So let's go check it out. Just make sure they're doing okay. Hey, just wanted to catch you guys up to speed on what we've been doing. We've been spraying the floor in with the sound deadening barrier. In fact, on the ceiling, we've got some of the thermal barrier in there as well. It's been taking forever because the setup process, in order to just spray the stuff in, takes forever. For each canister of this lizard skin that we put on the floor, I can only do about a 5 square foot on the floor before I have to refill the canister again. And just to start the process, it takes about an hour to set up all the equipment that we use and to get all the windows out of the bus, and then it's about an hour to tear down. So really only been able to work on this during Saturday. I worked for like 9 hours on a Saturday, and then we've had to leave the project alone. Looking forward to moving past this part of the build so we can get into stuff that I can nickel and dime on the evenings and weekends and continue to make progress more than just one day a week. You see on the floor, looks a little bit different than last time we had a video. But we've sprayed the walls in with the sound barrier. The floor's been sprayed in as well. And we've even gotten, like I said, the ceiling has the thermal barrier in there now as well. It's already making quite a bit of difference in the bus as far as temperature. Looking forward to finishing the spraying project and moving on to something different.
So I am so frustrated that my dad, when I was trying to just share my heart with you guys and be in the video for once, my dad decided to make sad violin music and make fun of me. I can't believe he would do something like that. I mean, just my sister is always getting all the attention over there, being the youngest child, and it's like, it's just so frustrating. Are you serious right now?